Not everyone has money for expensive cuts of meat or truffle oils and everything like that. So today I'm just going to show you how to make something very tasty. Takes about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and it costs, I would say, about $1, $2 maybe. That's bone marrow. And this one is exactly $1 for 3 pieces. So I'm going to cook 2 of these packets for you and show you how it looks. All you need is a baking tray, basic baking tray, anything that can handle a bit of heat. And I like to use baking paper just because it's easier to clean. I don't want to spend your day cleaning, right? So quickly. So the oven has been heated. Our oven is a bit fucked, so it doesn't give the temperature correctly. So what you're going to do is put your oven up to about 180 degrees, maybe even 200, and pre-warm it before you put this in. Put this on. Now, kids, even if your mom is so poor she can't even pay attention, you can still make these, but ask her for help. Do not just throw yourself into the oven and just sit there, okay? They're very important to always stay safe. And there we go. Let's put it in. That's what she said. Alright, so toast. I like white bread, of course. I don't really enjoy a brown bread. We just want them lightly toasted. I'm not going to show you how to make toast. You just put them in the toaster. So we've got this ready, cooling off a bit, because bone marrow melts. It's think of it like a thickish, very meaty butter almost. And then we've also got coarse sea salt and parsley and a bit of black pepper. So now we're just waiting for the bone marrow to finish. Okay, and we're back. So 26 minutes I left this in for because some of the bones are a bit thicker. So I'm gonna take it out now, take a look. You can hear it crackling in the background. Oh yes, yes, this looks good. Let's just see. It's pretty light, so you don't really have to worry about it. Just watch for all the fats coming off so you don't spoil that, please. I don't want anyone to die. There we go. While it's still hot, just take your little bit of spices, sprinkle them on. You can see it like dissolving into the hot bone marrow. It sounds like it wants to explode. It won't. Well, let's see. And here it is. Take a nice look. The bone marrow looks beautiful. You can see it's still, most of it is still in the bone. You've gone way too far. You fucked up if it's all dripping out of the bone. Try to be a bit fancy here. Look at this little beautiful thing. Like a Jenga thing about with the bread, I guess. Okay, so diving in. That's what you want to see. Want to see this beautiful yellowish color, no blood in it as well. The blood cooks out. So I'm just going to take that, spread it on, and enjoy. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at that bite. That's lovely. It's absolutely lovely. Thanks for watching. You've got the bone marrow and toast. It's a nice little snack. It takes about 30 minutes to make. And you're gonna have downtime in between. Maybe have a beer, a cup of coffee, I don't know. Whatever you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We're just getting started. This is one of my first videos. And I mean, just look at that. That's just so lovely. Just want to put it in my mouth. That's what she said.